Hey, what's up everyone, this is Jalay. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing the most important and expensive component of any gaming PC, aka the graphics card. And here I have the Gigabyte RTX 2070 Super Gaming OC 3X8G. I cannot wait to open it and see what it looks like, so let's get started with the unboxing. Quickly going through the box, on the front, except for the branding and the name, you will see these key features of this graphics card. It is factory overclocked and all the cores are running at 1815 MHz. It is integrated with 8 GB of GDDR6 256-bit memory interface. You will get 4 years of warranty with this card, but you will have to register it within 30 days of purchase to get an extra year, making 4 years in total. The TU104 GPU, which is used in this graphics card, is built on top of NVIDIA's latest Turing architecture. And the fact that this is an RTX card means it has dedicated ray tracing cores and AI-powered DLSS 2.0. Moving on to the back, you will see some more features of this graphics card, but don't worry about them just yet, as I will cover all of them once I take it out of the box. The first thing you will see inside the box is this folder containing this CD, which has all the drivers and softwares required to be installed on a freshly built PC, a quick setup guide, and this warranty registration reminder card. Coming back to the card itself, the first thing you will notice are these 3 fans. It has the WindForce 3X cooling system with 3 alternate spinning 82mm fans. Gigabyte spins the middle fan in opposite direction so that the airflow direction between 2 fans is same, reducing the turbulence and enhancing the airflow pressure. It is worth mentioning that these 3D active fans stop spinning when GPU is under low load, making it power efficient. The Gigabyte branding on this card has addressable RGB, and with the help of RGB Fusion software, you can easily customize it. Looking at the power connectors, this card needs 6+8 pins PCI-E power supply connectors. This card also has SLI support with the help of two-way NVIDIA NVLINK, which basically means that you can combine 2 identical GPUs with the GeForce RTX NVLINK bridge to deliver the ultimate experience in 4K and VR gaming. In terms of output, you will get 3 DisplayPorts and 1 HDMI 2.0 port. You will also get this protective metal backplate, providing aesthetically pleasing looks and improving build quality. Right underneath the plate, there are 6 heat pipes directly in contact with the TU104 GPU, providing efficient cooling and performance. Now let's take a look at some numbers. Gigabyte RTX 2070 Super has 53 RTX-OPS and 2560 CUDA Cores. The 8 GB of 256-bit GDDR6 memory is running at 14,000 MHz speed, providing 448 GB per second bandwidth. This card also supports DirectX 12 and OpenGL 4.6. And lastly, the physical size of this card is 286.5 by 114.5 by 50.2 mm. Overall, I think this is a really solid graphics card both in terms of physical build and performance delivery. I will be releasing a separate video covering all the benchmarks and gaming performance after I use it for a while. To sum up, I bought this graphics card for 45,000 rupees and I am super excited to put it to a test. If you have been following along with my previous videos, I have unboxed almost all the components of my upcoming streaming PC, and in my next video, I will show you guys how to put them together. That's been it. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more PC related content. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.